Hello everyone, this is Business Plus. This is Business Plus on your way today, guys. I quickly want to show you something. Actually, is early in the morning. All right, so see, I dropped a signal. All right, so we have previous signals that has came in profit, crash 300, and we have the SL and TP, and it was picked on time frame of M15. All right. So you see, we have another signal for boom 1000 index, which is for OSA, right? So the two has came in profit. Now, guys, I will now show you something, right? So which is something massive. So we have just 7 people who has viewed this because I just saw the opportunity. I was just like, okay, let me share with people in my VIP, and at least everybody makes money. All right, so guys, let me show you something quick and sharp here from the main chart. You see, on the main chart we have over you see. Now let me show you the previous profit that I've made on this account. You see, this is 784 US dollars. You see, so we have in another. So you just see we've made over $1,600 on this signal. You see the lot size and stuff. So sometimes when I'm sharing screenshot, some people will be saying no, this should be on demo and stuff. But as you've seen, I still have another account that I'm trading on, and this is just one of so we just have a spike against us now, but no problem, everything's gonna be fine. So you see, so this is just it for the moment. You see, now let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame where the signal was picked. You see, I've closed some stuff, some signals before, and let's do a little bit analysis. You see, it was picked from around this place, and we have a breakout around this zone, and it keeps going up and up. And if you should check it on 30 minutes time frame, you actually see that we have where is the arrow here? Let me add the arrow. So you see that we actually have a break from this minor zone after we have a spike down, and since then it has been buying. Now see this lot size 0.15. I've closed a little from it, and see it's still buying on this. So now let's go to higher time frame of H1 so that we can see another thing, and also we can see that from this point, see, is buying, and that doesn't mean that it cannot spike down to reach this level. All right, but you just have to be careful. Don't let it come here before you make your decision. All right, so don't let it come down to this point before you make your decision. You can see it's spiking down more, but I will have to leave this. All right, because I'm definitely sure that it's gonna go back up. So that's that for crash 300 index. Now let's go to boom. So on boom 1000, you see, let's go to higher time frame of D1, see what has happened on daily time frame, and probably we have the indicator shows that we have a downtrend signal since it has been coming from here. So we have a downtrend signal, and with this going up, which we can say it's is a retest, all right, on higher time frame, which is a new trend on lower time frame. See, so it's going down, which I believe that it will probably get down to this point before anything can happen. And if it doesn't get to this point, at least just learn to scalp so that you can take your profit along the way. Now let's go to H4 time frame. So on H4, you see that we have a lot of things that H4 is saying. So probably we might get to this point here. All right, so that's why when you are going for a long time trade, you just have to use small lot sizes so that this will make your trade to go for a very long time. So when you want to scalp, you can decide to use big lot size. But one thing is this: money management is very, 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 very important. All right, so guys, as you can see, that's that on this. Remember, I've taken some profit earlier from this, you see. So this is massive, guys. Very, very massive. Very, very massive. So we're making money, and everything is cool, everything is fine. Business Plus, and guys, I'll be updating a new link to join the Telegram. I've changed the name of the Telegram to Business Plus Forex Trading Academy, because I have someone that's impersonating, that's copying exactly what I was doing, and I've reported the page channel rather, which I'm still gonna do more. So guys, as you can see, this is huge, right? This is huge, right? So guys, that's just it for this. So if you want to speak with me, just speak with me at Business Plus CEO. So I don't take investments, guys. So you have to be careful with who you're dealing with, and I'm not gonna ask you for money. I'm not gonna ask you for money for investment, and I'm not gonna ask you for you paying for any other services. All right, that's not exactly what I do, which is mentorship and for sickness. So, and I'm not gonna chat to you first. No,